Okay, midweek 30, top part. You're doing the no sooner ... than format. Okay. As it started to rain, Jason discovered a hole in his shoes. Remember, the key thing here is you start off with the no sooner, but then you need a helping verb. Most of the time, you're probably either going to go with had or did. So no sooner, let's go had in this case. No sooner had it started to rain, comma. Then you put in your than, and then just the rest of the sentence. So no sooner had it started to rain than Jason discovered a hole in his shoe. If you had gone with did, it would have been no sooner did it start to rain than Jason discovered a hole in his shoe. So the form of the verb will vary depending on what helping verb you choose, which again is probably either going to be had or did. The middle part, you're doing the not only but also format. So same type of thing. You need to start off with the not only, but then you need your helping verb, which again is probably going to be had or did. So if we have Aaron ate all the cookies and drank the rest of the milk, we're going to start off not only, let's go did this time. Not only did Aaron, we wouldn't say did ate, but we would say did eat. So not only did Aaron eat all the cookies, comma, but also drank the rest of the milk. Okay? The bottom part you are putting into the more, or the less format. Remember, if there's an ER form of an adjective or an adverb, you don't have to put more in again, right? You wouldn't say like more faster, just because the ER already covers it. So if you have when you force yourself to fall asleep, the harder it is to sleep. Weird sentence, but okay. So if we're going to put this into the more part, right? The more you force yourself to fall asleep, comma, but we already have an ER, so we can just say the harder it is to sleep. You don't need to put the more harder it is to sleep, because that doesn't make any sense. Okay? So the more you force yourself to fall asleep, the harder it is to sleep. If this were like the easier it is to fall asleep, it would have just stayed as easier. Or if it was like less easy, you could also replace it into saying easier or harder, whatever. But there's some variation, is what I'm saying. So let me know if you have questions after you look at the midweek PowerPoint again, if you're really, really stuck. And if you are really, really stuck after doing that, I will help you out. Okay?